Good morning. I know I've been gone for a little bit. Life and holidays, you know, things get in the way. But I'm here now, and we are going to make a few things for this video. We're opening up my Etsy shop. So I've got at least two things I know for sure I want to make and put up. One of which, cup cozies. They're real easy to make, so I figured I can whip out a few and use up some spare yarn that I have lying around. Hi! And the other thing are little detachable collars. I don't think, oh, no coffee for kittens. No coffee for kittens. Yeah, detachable collars. I don't think I'll be making any that are quite as lacy and intricate as this one for sale, just because this one took me a while to make, and I think it's pretty and I like it on me. And you know, these are good if you're like me and you wear the same outfit for like a week straight and you don't want people to think that you're just a weird little goblin who only has one outfit. So yeah, I'll be making a few of these in granny square form with the option of 3 different colors. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Yeah. Maybe I'll make some coasters or like cup rugs, which are just fancier coasters in rug shape. Okay, so I dug around in my yarn stash to see what like the 3 colorways for these little detachable collars would be. And I settled on these 3, mostly because they all have fun textures. And I thought if you're making a little lace collar, generally they're going to go over something a bit plainer to give it a little bit of extra something. So I went with this beige one that has a little bit of like blue and green and yellow and pink in there. And I think it's a really pretty one. And I can show you, I made a granny triangle out of this one. So it's nice and it's fine. And I like it. It's a bit more old school lace collar as opposed to what these 2 will probably look like. But you can see I've got a really fun and shiny red and pink one, and then this one's it feels like there's wool in here. I don't know, these were in my stash, they were gifted to me by someone, and there's very few labels, so I'm going to say right now, don't machine wash these, hand wash them. Although this one feels synthetic, so it's probably okay. Nah, I would still hand wash it and dry it flat. But I think that these 3 colors will look really nice as little collars. So for this video, we're just gonna make one in this white so I can show you what they look like, and then I'll make the other couple, you know, on my own time. So we're gonna get to that first. Okay. Okay, so I finished up, this little collar, and it's really pretty. And I got it all nice, and I filmed everything, but now my camera won't let me send that video. So I decided I would just do a really quick acrylic yarn granny square little attachable collar. And I actually really like it, so I think I'm gonna make a few more in like this style, as opposed to this style, which is very small, very delicate. And this took me all day yesterday, where this took me like 2 hours. So I think I'll make some more like this in different colors. But what I wanted to show you with this is after I got everything all done, like my granny squares, I went around with a half double crochet stitch, just straight around it, with the exception of the corners where I did a half double, a chain, and then a half double. So I can go right in and add my yarn so I can braid a little tie or add a little button. I like the look of like a little tie. I think those are really cute. So I'm just gonna stick with these three colors, this white, this pink, and this yellow, and you know, make some ties. I've got a pillow and a safety pin so I can, you know, keep tension good. If you've made friendship bracelets, you know a safety pin is your best friend for keeping tension good. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will show you how I do that, which, you know, isn't really showing you much. You know, I'm sure everyone on this channel knows how to braid. Okay. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what I've done while I was waiting for my camera battery to recharge. I took a shower, I changed my sweater. I finished up this little collar, and I think it's really, really cute. So I think I'll be making a few more in this style as opposed to my other style. It's pretty. It's very pretty. It just takes too much time, and I don't want to do that. So more in this style. Also, I made one cup cozy. So I will be making a whole heck ton more of these to just toss on the Etsy shop. I made some little cup rugs. This one still needs its ends woven in. But look how cute. Oh, it's so tiny. It's just an itty bitty little rug. And you put your cup on it. What do you think, Amadeus? Do you like it? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Little claws. Oh. Well, Amadeus likes it, so I'll be making a few more of these in different colors because I have a lot of yarn, like single skeins of yarn that I don't know what to do with. So those will be going on the Etsy shop too, I think. And those are really cute and nice. Right, little boy? Okay, so we're gonna make a cup cozy. It's very, very simple. I'm picking a stitch and just going with it. It's the same stitch that I'm using for my little cup rugs. Sorry, my cup rugs. All the ends need to be woven in, but it's looking good. So I have a standard cup. We got it at Starbucks not too long ago, which is great because, I don't know, I feel like people are always getting things about this size. And I started it, so I'm only going up 10 stitches, and my row count is just going to be whatever wraps around. All right, so I got it at a good size. What I'm going to do now is just attach it. So I like doing a very, very easy attachment. It's good and it's sturdy, you know? So I've got that attached. All I'm gonna do now is go around. Oh, I should make sure it fits the cup still. Yep, still fits. Looks good, looks cute. Hey, how's it going? I made a bunch of stuff. So, I made some cup rugs. I got really into making these because they're very simple and they're really cute. I like them quite a bit. This set needs their ends woven in, but that won't take me too long. And I think the majority of these little cup rugs are gonna look like this, where I'll try to keep 1 to 2 colors consistent through all 3, and then switch it up. You know, keep a theme. It was luck that I managed to get 6 out of these 3 colors, but I really like them. I think I'll enjoy making more of these. I made a couple cup cozies. So I have one that I made with acrylic, which will be a cheaper option if you don't want a wool one. I like the acrylic. It's nice, it's squishy. I'm not gonna hurt my hands on these, so that's always a plus. And then the wool one, which I think came out really, really nice. And that one will be a bit more sturdier and a bit more absorbent in case there's accidental spills. And then my little collar, which, they're so stinking cute. I cannot wait to start making so many of these. I love them so much. Yeah, so I took some photos and I will be putting them all on my Etsy shop tonight. So by the time this video comes out, that shop will be up. There's going to be a link in the description. You can go check it out if you want. You don't have to. Let's get through all the normal stuff I say. Like, if you enjoy watching me craft, or I guess now if you mostly enjoy watching Amadeus interrupt me while I craft, consider subscribing, leaving a like, maybe a comment. Yeah, I don't know what I'll be doing next week, but we'll find out. Or not next week, in 2 weeks. We're gonna find out. Yeah.